The topic for today is factorization. In factorization, we take the common number outside and remaining inside. We start with the smallest possible example, 12x minus 9. It has total 2 terms. In 12 and 9, the maximum common number is 3. That is, 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 9, and 3 divides both, and this is the maximum number which divides both. So what we are going to do, we are going to take 3 outside, the common number, 3 4 times 12 and 3 times 9. This is the answer. The second question, 27b minus 36by. You can see that in 27 and 36, if we take common, if we take ACF of these two numbers, 3 9s are 27, 3 12s are 36, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So maximum common is 9. 3 multiply 3 is 9. If I take 9 outside, I shall have 9 outside, I shall have 3 inside. 3. B is also common, so I shall have B also outside. 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. 4 B is outside Y. 3 minus 4Y outside bracket 9B is the answer. Now we take three numbers, 8AX plus 12A minus 4AZ. It's an expression which has 3 terms. You can see that maximum 4 along with this A is common. So I shall write 4A outside, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, A is already outside, and 4A only Z here. 4A, you can check 4A, 4 2s are 8AX, 4 3s are 12A and 4AZ. You can multiply and check either your answer is correct or wrong. Next question, 4M minus 6MY minus 18MZ. All three are even, but maximum common is 2, not 4, as 6 is not in the table of 4, 18 is not in the table of 4. Similarly, 18 is in the table of 6, but 18 is not in the table of 4. So we can hardly have 2 outside along with this M. What is left inside? 2 2s are 4, M is outside, 2 3s are 6, M is outside, Y, 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18, MZ. You can see that now there is nothing common inside the bracket. The next question, 5x plus 10x B plus C. We can have the answer from here, but I will open the bracket, 5x plus 10xb plus 10xc. What is common in these three? 5 with x. What is left here? 5x is outside, so 1 is inside, plus 2, 5 2s are 10b plus 5 2s are 10c. You can also do this question directly, as if you take it from here, 5x common, so 1 is left here, I take here bar bracket, 1 plus 5 2s are 10, x is outside, b plus c, or if you open it, you can easily have 5x bracket 1 plus 2b plus 2c. 3xy minus 6x bracket y minus z. Open it, 3xy minus 6xy minus plus 6xz. 3xy and 6xy both are having same variable, so these are like terms. I can have directly from here minus 3xy plus 6xz, which I cannot have from here. So now I shall factorize. I will have 3 along with x outside. I can also take this negative sign outside to make the first term positive. 3 and x both are outside along with this negative sign. So I have positive y, and now negative 3 2s are 6 z. Negative 2 means if I have taken minus outside, so this plus sign will be also negative. When I shall multiply, it will be negative and the next number will be positive. The next example is minus 3a 2 plus b plus 18a b minus 1. First we shall expand it, then we shall arrange it, then we shall simplify it. After that we will do the factorization. Okay, for expansion we shall multiply. Minus 3 2s are minus 6a minus plus minus 3ab plus 18ab. You can see you have like terms, plus minus minus 18a. After expansion I shall arrange 6a and 18a like terms and 3ab plus 18ab. Both are negative. You will add 18 plus 6 24, a with negative sign. Both are having opposite sign. You will subtract, but 18 is bigger, so your answer is positive. 18 minus 3 15 ab. Now we have simplified after arrangement. Now we are able to do the factorization. What is common in both? Maximum 3a, 3 8s are, okay, I take minus sign outside, 3 8s are 24, negative sign is outside, a is outside, minus inside because plus is outside, plus is here, minus minus plus, 3 5s are 15b. This is the final answer. The last question, minus 4y, x minus 2, minus 12y, 3 minus x. You can take common from here also, but it's better if we multiply. Minus 4xy minus 4xy minus minus plus 4 2s are 8y minus 12 3s are 36y minus minus plus 12xy. After expansion we are going to arrange. Both having same coefficient, so same variable, like terms x and y, and these two are having only y. Minus 4 plus 12, opposite sign, you will subtract, bigger is 12, so you have 8xy along with opposite signs, 36 is bigger, you have 28y. 28 plus 8 is 36. Y is common. 4 is common maximum. 4 2s are 8, 2x, 4 7s are 28. If we take directly minus 4y common, minus 4y common, what is left here? 1 bracket x minus 2, minus is outside, 4 is outside, y is outside, 4 3s are plus, 4 3s are 12, y is outside, 3 minus x. We open it, minus 4y bracket x minus 2, as we multiply with 1 doesn't matter, 3 3s are 9 minus 3x. So we shall have minus 4y x minus 3x like terms together, minus 2 plus 9 minus 4y x minus 3x minus 2x plus 7. Or if we take this minus sign inside, 4y minus minus plus 2x minus 7, the same answer.